Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today. We have another unboxing for you, our PLJW 105 60-inch range hood. So super big one today. We're gonna take everything that comes inside of the box out and prepare it for installation so you guys can follow along. We've gone ahead and taken everything outside of the box. So obviously we have the range hood itself. I had to grab some help for this, so make sure when you guys are doing this at home, don't try to do it by yourself. Obviously it can't be done alone, but we have separately coming in their own boxes our stainless steel baffle filters, as well as the grease tray. And then we also have our mounting bracket that will come with a little bit of manual and hardware inside of there for installing the range hood. And then we also have a separate box for the transition piece, power cord, and some other things. So that's what's gonna come inside the box. We've set everything else aside for now, so now we can take our first look at the range hood itself and we can really see how large it is. So again, this is our 60-inch PLJ 105, but we do have sizes all the way from 30 up to 60 inches. And actually, as you can see inside here, we have a 1000 CFM blower located inside the range. If you guys choose to select an option from 48 up to 60 inches, you guys can actually choose to get 2 different blowers inside of the same range hood. So because this one's 60 inches, we have a huge capture area for any smokes, odors, and heat. And focusing on the blower for a second, it is 1000 CFM, which is one of our most powerful blowers. It's gonna be able to do anything that you guys need to do at home. It's encased inside of our 430 stainless steel. We also offer a premium 304 stainless steel that's a little bit more resistant to heat and things like that. But on our website, you guys can select whatever's best for you and your needs at home. If we look away from the blower for a sec, on the bottom of the range hood, we're gonna see 8 different LED lights. Now these are great. They last a lifetime. They're very easy to remove or replace if you guys need to, but they're gonna be great in any low light cooking environment. And on some of the other sizes, you might have a different amount of lights, but we're looking at the big range hood today. So on the 60 inches, we're gonna have 8 different LED lights. Now that we've had our first look at the range hood itself, we've gone ahead and taken out our stainless steel baffle filters from their separate box, as well as the grease tray. And to install these, it's very easy. We're just gonna install the grease tray first, and this is super simple. It slides right into place. If you guys just kind of drop it in the corner there at the bottom, and then you can bring it back, it'll sit nice and easy. Same with the stainless steel baffle filters. We'll kind of go down first, and then if you look up, there'll be a little notch for each of them. You pull it back into place, and then you can slide the 4 of these in. Now, our stainless steel baffle filters are great. They're dishwasher safe, they're easy to install and clean and maintain, and they're gonna be everything you guys need in your range hood. Now, if we take a look up from our LED lights, we're gonna see our stainless steel button control panel here. This is where you'll control everything on the range hood. So once it's plugged in, you guys can turn the lights on and off from here. We also have the power button down here on the side. We can turn the range hood on. And then our blower inside is a 4-speed blower. So controlling the 4 speeds here from the lowest and most quiet all the way up to the highest and most powerful setting. So there you guys have it. That's our PLJW 105 60-inch range hood. Again, remember, we do have sizes all the way down to 30 inches on our PLJW 105. And this range hood's great because we kind of took a lot of components from really popular models and features that people liked and using in their homes, and we put it all into one range hood. So that's why our 105 is one of our more popular range hoods. But if you guys have any other questions, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team here at Proline. And if you're still shopping around or want to check out our full catalog, maybe for some other wall range hoods, go to ProlineRangeHoods.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.